Alright, so I got my eBikeling box over here. It's the item type 3000, a 26-inch wheel. Website right there. Made over here in the China. Let's see. Left-handed. Alright, here we go. A little puncture hole in the middle. Alright, see what we got. Styrofoam, styrofoam, and styrofoam. There we go. Just loosely based in there, but looks like it did its job. We got my rear wheel. Oh my gosh, that is pretty heavy. Oh shit! Ah! Damn! This gotta be like 40 pounds or so. Some water right there. Oh. So wrap this. Nice little liner. This kind of feels really thin, like tape. Let's see here. Free-wheel side. It's kind of cool. This thing's pretty fat.
Hi there! Thank you for choosing eBikeling. We hope that you're satisfied with your purchase. Please contact us if there are any issues so we can resolve them for you.
Okay, so parts introduction. The heavy motorized wheel. I ordered the half twist. 7-speed freewheel. And all that fun junk. Oh, that's kind of cool, the LCD display. You can upgrade it to a colored one if you are willing to pay for it. So let's see what's in this box. I bought this from eBay. eBay only had the available 26-inch. Parts. Zip tie cables. Thingy. That thing's huge. I wish this was a battery, but it's not. Still need to buy the battery. Jeez. Supposedly this goes really fast. So it'll be fun and exciting to see how strong it handles up the hills. Brushless controller. Ah, the freewheel. It's not even Shimano. It's a Shiming. I don't know. I'd rather use a Shimano. Or the half twist. That's how it looks like. Cool. This is what I was curious about. Like, do I have to reinstall a brake system? I'm assuming this somehow triggers the motor off when pulled. There's a little switch. What's in that little box? Oh, the LCD. Oh, that's kind of nice. And there's a pump. Probably not. What's in here? Oh, I was right, it was a pump. Probably will never use it. And that is what's inside the eBikeling 26-inch, 3000 watts motor. Damn, that thing is huge. Probably install a fat tire on this. So yeah, this is probably like 40 pounds. And a controller. Instructions. Can't reach. Try to. Step number 1. Getting started. Choose an area where you can work comfortably and prepare your tools. Wrenches, Phillips, and flat screwdrivers. Various size Allen wrenches, pliers, etc. Step number 2. Preparing the bike. Take the wheel off. Step number 3. Damn, really? Sheesh. Well, that's what's in there. Fuck it.